We each exist for but a short time, and in that time explore but a small part of the whole universe. Life would be tragic if it weren't funny. I have lived with the prospect of an early death for the last 49 years. I'm not afraid of death, but I'm in no hurry to die. I have so much I want to do first. Eternity is a long time, especially towards the end. Just because I do a lot of thinking doesn't mean I don't like parties and getting into trouble. Science is increasingly answering questions that used to be the province of religion. I believe the simplest explanation is, there is no God. No one created the universe and no one directs our fate. This leads me to a profound realization that there probably is no heaven and no afterlife either. We have this one life to appreciate the grand design of the universe, and for that, I am extremely grateful. There is a fundamental difference between religion, which is based on authority, and science, which is based on observation and reason. Science will win because it works. What I have done is to show that it is possible for the way the universe began to be determined by the laws of science. In that case, it would not be necessary to appeal to God to decide how the universe began. This doesn't prove that there is no God, only that God is not necessary. If time travel is possible, where are the tourists from the future? If aliens ever visit us, I think the outcome would be much as when Christopher Columbus first landed in America, which didn't turn out very well for the Native Americans. The idea of 10 dimensions might sound exciting, but they would cause real problems if you forget where you parked your car. I regard the afterlife to be a fairy story for people that are afraid of the dark. Most of the threats we face come from the progress we've made in science and technology. We are not going to stop making progress, or reverse it, so we must recognize the dangers and control them. I'm an optimist, and I believe we can. God may exist, but science can explain the universe without the need for a creator. Science can lift people out of poverty and cure disease. That, in turn, will reduce civil unrest. Science is not only a disciple of reason but also one of romance and passion. Scientists have become the bearers of the torch of discovery in our quest for knowledge. I wouldn't compare scientific discoveries to sex, but it lasts longer. One is always a long way from solving a problem until one actually has the answer. Black holes ain't as black as they are painted. They are not the eternal prisons they were once thought. Things can get out of a black hole both on the outside and possibly to another universe. So, if you feel you are in a black hole, don't give up, there's a way out. 1. Remember to look up at the stars and not down at your feet. 2. Never give up work. Work gives you meaning and purpose, and life is empty without it. 3. If you are lucky enough to find love, remember it is there and don't throw it away. However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. It matters that you don't just give up.